who lives in this house? Or should I say, what accessories do you install on your Panasonic VXI camcorder, the 4K camcorder? Well, I have one particular accessory mounted on this camcorder that you are probably unable to, buy. Actually, not probably, you definitely cannot. Now, you can get a top handle, like I have got on here. I've got loose at the moment, okay? You can buy a top handle, but you cannot buy one like this. No. This is a compact top handle, and the reason why you can't buy it is because I made it, okay? Now, I've got a cold shoe mount on the front here. I've got a more compact one that I've ordered. It's going to be fitted on there, so it'll be more shallow. But this is the standard adjustable one with a clamp on, basically, so you can tighten up there. I've got a stainless steel Allen screw there, which goes into this quarter thread spacer block here. These are all standard parts you can get on Amazon, you know. These are cheap as chips. And sometimes they come supplied with, lights or all sorts of stuff. And then we've got this little arrangement here with the cold shoe. This stuff here, all that you can buy. This bit you can't buy because I made it, alright? But you could do too. Now, this happens to be a piece of walnut that I had, and I bonded the thread arrangement on the bottom here along with this screw so it can't come undone, and then all you got to do is then attach it to your cold shoe mount on the top of your camera, like so, like you would do any cold shoe mount top handle. And the point about this particular top handle, it's more in keeping with the camera. Now, the reason for that is because it's not oversized. Most of the top handles I was looking at were huge, extruded aluminium things, and they were ugly, they were big, they were uncomfortable, and they're cold. That's the other thing about having a wooden top handle like this one. It's not cold, so you don't get that freezing cold mitts every time you want to use it in the cold. So yeah, because obviously it's made of wood, you know, whereas cast aluminium or extruded aluminium is going to be freezing darn cold. So you too could make something like this, and you just need these fittings and what have you, and a bit of TLC and a bit of a rasp work, and you obviously got to cut it out first to the shape and what have you, and mould it onto your hand so that it fits your hand properly instead of just being a piece of extrusion, and it works. And if you want any extra bushes on there or mounting points, you can install them as well. And it's, like I say, it just works. That it does. So now I have a nice top handle that I can, do low-level stuff. I can also, I just hold up like that if I want to. And I've also made a bottom grip as well to go on the bottom, you see, yeah. That bit, okay? And that mounts just literally onto, well, it's got basically a Manfrotto quick release like so on my grip, so I can just hook it on and use it that way if I want. So it just works, you don't have to keep buying stuff. And, to get a decent top handle, they're a lot of money, for what they are. So why not make one? That's what I'd say. Anyway, it's time for me to go and say toodaloo, but please hit the like button, because it helps the channel, I don't know if I should be looking that way, or I should be looking that way. Toodaloo.